how to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. It's super simple to do. Let me go ahead and show you how. First, you want to open up the app. Make sure to tap on the icon in the bottom right hand corner to get to your profile page. Then you want to go ahead and select the video that contains the comment that you're wanting to reply to. So I'll go ahead and select this one. Once we see the video, we want to tap right over here on the little comment box in the right hand side. It'll bring up all of our comments, and then we want to find the comment here that we would like to respond to. What you don't want to do is select reply, because then this is only going to allow you to reply with a text. Instead, what you want to do is tap and hold, and then it's going to bring up this menu here. And right down there at the bottom, you're going to see reply with video. We can go ahead and select this. It's then going to open up our camera here, and we can see there's the comment right over there. I can go ahead and start recording. And then once we're done recording, now we can go ahead and select the little check box over here in the bottom right hand corner. And now I can go ahead and take this comment, put it where I want to. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, right? Whatever, wherever it is that you want to put it. And then we can go ahead and select next. And then from here, we can go ahead and edit it the same way that we would edit any other post. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.